Okay guys, this is the stuff that we have been going over, order of operations. And as we have learnt, BODMAS is the order in which we complete operations in a number sentence. It stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. You should already have some notes in your rulebook on how to complete this. This video tutorial is going to show you examples. Underneath your notes you already have in your rulebook, I need you to write down the examples. Exactly as I write them, line under line, underneath one another. Okay, so you need to be writing them line under line, underneath of one another. You should already have something similar to this written in your rulebook. So let's begin. Let's have a look at a few examples that we can do. So rather than me just giving you this straight away, we're going to do one or two examples just to jog your memory. So if I had this one here, for example, if I had brackets 36 minus 23, brackets again, multiplied by 2. BODMAS tells me the order in which I have to do things. Now, when we read a book, we read left to right. When we begin anything, we start from the left and move our way to the right. Just in BODMAS, we start on the left and move our way towards the right. So the first thing I have to do is what's inside the brackets. Now, 36 minus 23, that's 30 minus 20 is 10, 6 minus 3 is 13. So if I work that out, that will be a difference of 13. Okay, now I've worked out what's in the brackets. I can keep the brackets there if I want. That tends to be a good way to do it, remain consistent. And then it's 13 multiplied by 2, 26. I do the brackets first and then I do my multiplication. I work left to right because it's brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, let's have a look at another example. I'm going to get one that's a little bit more tricky. Okay, what else can we do here? Let's try 28 divided by 4 plus 9. Okay. Let's go BODMAS. Brackets, got any? No. Orders, got any? No. Division, I do have some division. So I have 28 divided by 4. I've got my division sign here. I look to see what's on the left of it. 28. I look to see what's on the right of it. 4. They're both positive numbers. So a positive divided by a positive is still a positive number. So 28 divided by 4, that would be 7 plus 9, because that's what I have remaining. 7 plus 9, 16. Okay? Very straightforward, guys. Okay, one more example. Ooh, let's do a really tricky one. 8 plus 16 multiplied by 3 minus 5 plus 45 divided by 9. Whoa! Holy moly, that looks really big. Guess what? Each and every one of you will be able to do it. So, we start from the left and move our way to the right. Brackets. Do we have any? Nah. Cool. Okay, what's the next one? Orders. Do we have any orders? Any square roots or to the power ofs? Nah, don't have any of those. Brackets, orders, division. Do we have any division? Okay. Let's start from the left, move our way. Oh, look, here, I've got one here. I've got my division sign here. I look to the left of it. I've got positive 45. I look to the right of it. I've got positive 9. So I know that equals 5. So I rewrite the line the same. 8 plus 16 multiplied by 3 minus 5 plus 5. Okay, perfect. That's my division done. What's next? Multiplication. I start on the left here and move my way to the right. So, multiplication. Oop, here we go. I've got one just in here. Here's my multiplication sign. I look to the left of it. I've got positive 16. I look to the right of it. I've got positive 3. So, I write it out again. 8 plus. Now, 16 multiplied by 3 gives me 48 minus 5 plus 5. So what I'm doing here when I'm doing every line is I'm only making the modification to where I perform the operation. I'm leaving everything else the same that I've already done. So that's multiplication. Now I do addition. I move left to right. So 8 plus 48. That gives me 56 minus 5 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5. If I look at my number line, I go to negative 5 and I add 5 equals 0. 56 is my answer because negative 5 plus 5 cancels each other out. And that's it, guys. That is the trickiest order of operations that you will get. If you get that one, you go on splendid. If you don't fret just yet. It's just an example there to help you.